Hi everyone, I'm Athilah. Today I'm partnering with Zalora for a fun unboxing and try-on haul. Zalora is Asia's leading online fashion platform offering a wide range of clothing, accessories, shoes and beauty products. It's one of my favorite places to shop because of their amazing discounts, fast delivery and also free returns or exchange. I've picked up some good pieces to show you, so let's get started. Extra wine. Let me know in the comments if you want this wallet. I will choose randomly. Good luck.